Good day, everyone. I'm living in fear. Something strong is happening to me. And if I don't come out to say it, I don't know where I will be tomorrow. I know a lot of people will laugh at me. I don't care. My life is more important to me. The shoe that I took home is not my size. Chibuzor Erikife is threatening me that if I leave him, he will buy me. I've written a petition about this, and he's in police station right now. Chibuzor Erikife is threatening my life. I don't want the marriage anymore. And also, I'm happier that no, oh yeah, chum, I'm not giving me fair. He said that to my face, and I've been living in fear since. His bride price is not on my head. Okoro with him. Chibuzor with him. The day they came to marry me, they forgot to pay my bride price, and my family called them last 2 weeks ago to come and pay my bride price. Tell him not to harm my family, not to harm me or my family. This marriage is not working. I have tried everything possible to make this marriage work. The shoe is very tight on my leg. I cannot fit in. And I told him that I want to leave. And he said that if I leave him, he will buy me. This guy married me thinking that I have money to spend. When he came into my life, I thought it was all love. And I saw the way it was going. I was building this house when you came into my life, and I will finish it. Please, if you know you love me, I'm not asking you for money. Don't give me, and don't ask me. Let me just finish and concentrate on my life. Manamba, ever since then, no hatred. He will not even touch me. He will not even touch me as a woman. And I've complained to his family about this. Hasn't Wendy, no ye change. This guy is strengthening my life. I don't know what to do. And you go and petition a police station about it. We went to Lagos together. Lagos Naija together. I don't know. He ain't in Lagos. But I got there. I didn't even ask questions. I did the advert myself. The guy gave me money. Ego borom. Little money that I know that is not even up to my endorsement money. I took it. My husband wants that little money they gave to me. I told him that I will not give him that money. I will not give it to you. And when we were leaving, I took that money, I put it in the POS. He became so angry that he go in a POS. When we were going back, the guy gave him money just to make him happy. We came back and he still want that money. He said, this is my little one. The guy gave you money. So why do you want the little one I have? I went to Lagos and I stayed 1 week in Lagos. 1 week in Lagos. A businesswoman went to Lagos and I stayed 1 week. And I was enjoying it because no one needed him with the business. I never complained about it. Since that time, my husband refused to call me on phone. We had plans that we were coming back to Asaba together. He didn't come back with me. And he did not call me to know if I got home. Till date, he has not. I've not heard his voice till date. It's more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks now. And I've told his parents about it. I said them that I will not your again. I did my yozi, not again the bed. And if I continue living like this, I will go down 6 feet. The good part of it is that he did not pay my bride price. Okoro with him. My father called me 2 weeks ago that they should come and pay my bride price. That he had me to be a list. No one in Kanye many mono. Obu no 5 naira. Now that day they came to our house. They did not enter into the house. Mego. No yabu mego na nibo. Right now, rumor has it that he wants to kidnap me. That he wants to suffer me because I posted the house that I built. That's why will I post a house and say that I built it single-handedly? And I started building that house when he came into my life. Okay. Since I've seen that the thing is no longer working, I want to leave. My worry right now is that this guy wants to frustrate me. I've been hearing rumors and I've dreamt, and I told him that I saw chimpanzee where a chimpanzee kidnapped me. Also, now I'll be chimpanzee kidnapped room. Guys, I don't know what to do. Chibuzor Erikife is not who I thought he is.
Please, let's pray for our brothers at the FCC custody. Most of them are not fraudster or criminal. They are just young boys who came out to have fun. We haven't had anything from them since. No one is calling, no one is picking.